Hello students. So in last lecture we have learned about operating system. Right? I hope you all have understood. Today we are going to start with lesson number 4 on page number 30, word processors, introduction to MS Word. So as if now students till 4th standard you have learned about MS Paint, Notepad, calculator. But in this year we are going to learn some new things, new features of MS Office. So this is the first application or software you can call that help you to make your documents. Okay, it is the same, it's same like a notepad. Or okay, we have learned in 4th standard about notepad. It's same like a notepad. It also used for typing, but the some other advanced features are there in MS Word. So let's start with lesson number 4. A word processor is a computer program that allows you to type and edit text. There are many different types of word processors available. So as I told you, the word processors are used to type and you can also edit the text. Okay, so there are many different types of word processors are available. So now we are going to learn types of word processor. A word processor enables you to use the computer to write text, save it as a document, access the document later, even print it. So with the help of a word processor, you can write a text, you can save them as a document. Again, you can access the document later for your future use. Also, you can type the document in computer in word processor. And again, if you want to take a print of the document, you can take the print as well. Let's have a look at 4 word processors: MS WordPad, MS Word, OpenOffice Writer and Google Docs. These are the some few word processors they have given us. This first one is MS WordPad, then MS Word, OpenOffice Writer and Google Docs. All functions like same to write the text, to save it and to take a printout. Okay, about MS Word we are going to learn in detail in our second point. Okay, so let's learn first about MS WordPad. What is MS WordPad? MS WordPad is a program that allows you to create and edit text files. The program lets you insert and delete text, cut and paste text, copy or duplicate text, and define the document with the help of page size and margins. So again, MS WordPad is used to type the text. You can also edit the text in MS WordPad. Again, it allows you to insert and delete. You can insert the letters into it. You can delete the text from to it. Again, you can apply other commands as well, that is cut, paste command, copy, paste command. Again, with the help of some features, you can change the page size and the margin of the pages as well. It also allows you to search for a particular word or phrase and replace it if needed. Again, in MS WordPad as well and in MS Word as well, we have options, that is find and replace. In home tab we have the option. Okay, again with the help of this options, you can replace, you can find any word from the document if you are writing anything about related to computer, and whenever you have written the computer and your spelling is by mistakenly you wrote wrong, then with the help of this find and replace command, you can find that word wherever you have wrote the computer wrong word. You can change that word computer in a correct spelling with the replace options. So this also helps you to correct your mistakes as well. You can also use it to print a hard copy of the document. Okay, that I have already told you in MS WordPad. you can take a printout as well. MS Word is included by default with all versions of Windows. So whenever you have the Windows operating system into it in your computer, by default you will have MS WordPad in your computer. WordPad documents are saved in the rich text format, that is RTF. So MS WordPad extension is RTF. Okay. Next type of word processor is MS Word. MS Word supports MS WordPad features as well as other advanced level features that enable you to modify and format documents. So again, MS Word also supports some features that help us to modify the documents, like we can add the text, we can type the text, we can edit the text into our documents. Some advantages of this MS Word they have given us. First advantages is inserting pictures, shapes and smart art. So you can see this is the window of MS Word. In the MS Word document you can add the pictures, okay, whether you can use the clip art images, whether you can use your computer images. Again, there are you all know in MS Paint we were having a shapes group, right? So same like shapes group we have in MS Word. If you want to add any image or any shapes, any shapes into your document, so you can use that shapes as well. Again, sometimes any kind of data which have to show with the help of diagrams or charts. So with the help of smart art, you can use the charts, diagrams as well. Next is adding header and footer. So with the help of MS Word, you can add header and footer to your page. Header and footer means what? Here the page number is 30. You can see the below, above this line we have chapter name, right? Again in middle we have the content, and in the last you can see we have the page number and a book name, right? So this is the footer and this is the header. We are going to learn this in details. Okay. Next advantages is tracking changes to a document, adding comments. You will learn about MS Word in this detail in this book. How to track the changes, how to add comments. This all the things we are going to learn in detail that I told you. Our second point is that is only introduction to MS Word. So we are going to learn in detail about MS Word. So students, today we have learned two types of word processor, that is MS WordPad and MS Word. So though the words are similar, quite similar like MS WordPad and MS Word, but the features are different. So again in next lecture we are going to learn about two new types of word processor, that is Open Office Writer and Google Docs. So as if now revise the topics which we covered today. Read this page of MS Word and MS WordPad. Thank you.